How to see hidden replies on Twitter. If any day you're a Twitter user or the X user and you would like to see the hidden replies on your Twitter or the X account there and you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Twitter or the X application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search X out there, or manually find the very X application. After you find the very X application, you have to tap on that, and after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. You have to make sure that you are connected to your very account there. Now you have to tap on the very post that you want, and after you tap on the post there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the top side. After you move to the three dots on the top side, you can directly find the option of the hidden replies. If not, you have to go to your profile there and then go to the option of the profile once again. And after that, you can go to your own post as well. And after you go to your own post, you can go to the option of three dots and then you can select the option of hidden replies. If you do not find it, then you can see that there is no of the hidden replies out there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.